Hey everybody, Geodroid John here again, and I'm back from a 3D printer conference. This is my face, this is my printer at the library, and I just wanted to give you guys an update. I've been working on Mrs. Lydia's 3D printer parts for her machine on my CR10. They're looking pretty good. I've been out of town for about a week at Pennsylvania State doing the 3D printer conference, and I learned some pretty cool things I'm going to be showing you guys in the next few videos. But I just wanted to talk about real quick, when you really tune in your printer and you have no real issues, there's some buildup on the extruder nozzle there, but just need to brush that off. But you can actually see that there's zero strings between these two parts. And it's just nice to know that over time your prints will get better and better. It helps when you have a good machine to start with, but then you still have to go into your troubleshooting steps, because something like this, they broke off because the layer adhesion was not good enough. And this is something that I'm going to be addressing here. I learned a technique at the Metal 3D printer symposium, and I learned something about some type of supports that will help us keep our parts together a little bit better in the way that we design them. So it's going to be good. You can see that spinning. It's just so great when things work the way you want them to. So I'm excited to pass some knowledge on to you guys and get back into making some videos, get my production quality back up, and start passing out that knowledge and start having some projects. So thanks everybody for hanging in there and staying tuned. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in a few days when I post a video. Good night.